If you do great work, but you barely have any reviews, you are not alone, and it is not your fault. Asking for a review feels awkward, and by the time the job is done, you are already on to the next thing, and you simply forget. Meanwhile, your competitors keep collecting stars. Today, I'll show you a simple automation that asks every happy customer for a review at the perfect moment, all on its own. Let's make this easy. You finish a job, and you know you did great work. The customer smiles, says thank you, and walks out the door. But then the day keeps moving, and asking for a review feels a little awkward, so you let it go. Before you know it, you have helped 100 happy people, and you still have only a handful of reviews to show for it. Here is the hard truth. Almost everyone reads reviews before they pick a business, and they trust the one with more recent 5-star reviews. When your competitor has 50 fresh reviews and you have 6, people quietly choose them, and you never even know it happened. You are not losing because of your work. You are losing because nobody can see how good your work really is. Let's put a real number on it. More reviews and more recent ones mean more people calling and more people booking. Every extra star can be the difference between someone choosing you or scrolling right past. When your reviews keep growing on their own, your phone keeps ringing on its own, that is the whole point. Now here is the good news, and it is a big relief. You never have to remember to ask again, and you never have to feel awkward about it. A simple automation does the asking for you, kindly and at the perfect time. You just keep doing great work, and the reviews start taking care of themselves. Let me show you the whole system on one screen. It starts when a job is marked complete. Then a friendly message goes out asking how things went. Happy customers get guided to leave a public Google review, and unhappy ones come straight to you in private first. 3 simple pieces working together every time. The first piece is the perfectly timed ask. Instead of catching people while they are still busy, the automation waits a little while after the job is done, then sends a warm text or email. That short pause matters because the customer has had a moment to enjoy the result and feel good about it. Good timing turns a quiet thank you into a glowing review. The second piece is the part your customers actually see, and it is the one that wins. When someone is happy, the automation sends them straight to your Google review page with one easy tap. No searching, no confusion, just a simple path to leave their stars. The easier you make it, the more people actually do it. And that is how your reviews start to pile up. Remember, every step you remove makes a real difference. One tap to a review page beats a long, confusing hunt every single time. Make it effortless, and your happy customers will happily say yes. The third piece is the quiet win, and it protects your reputation. If a customer is not fully happy, the automation routes them to you privately first instead of straight to a public page. That gives you the chance to listen, fix the problem, and make it right, all out of public view. You catch the rare issue early, and your public reviews stay full of the people you delighted. The best part is that this works for almost any business. A real estate agent can ask after a closing, a med spa after a treatment, a dental office after a cleaning, a coach after a breakthrough session, a fitness studio after a class, or an online shop after a delivery. The job is different, but the idea is exactly the same. Finish the work, and the kind little ask goes out on its own. And it just keeps running quietly in the background after every single job. You do not have to push a button, set a reminder, or chase anyone down. The moment a job is marked done, the whole thing wakes up and does its part. It is steady, gentle, and completely hands-off. This is the part I love most. You set it up one time, and then it just works, day after day, job after job. There is no daily effort and nothing to remember. While you focus on serving people well, your reviews keep growing in the background. So here is the big idea to leave you with. Your great work should never stay a secret, and it does not have to. When the asking happens on its own, your reputation grows while you sleep. If you would like this setup for you, just comment automate, and I'll send you the exact build for free. So here is the whole idea. When a job is done, a friendly message goes out at just the right time. Happy customers get sent to leave a public Google review, and unhappy ones come to you privately first so you can fix things quietly. You set it up one time and it works after every single job. If you want the exact build for free, just comment "Automate" below and I'll send it over, or book a free 15-minute demo using the link. I'm Cindy with Advanced AI Automation.